This is our GL6BF9 battery operating with built-in 2.4 GHz wireless DMS receiver LED uplight.
Later.
Hi guys, I'm Ellie. Let me introduce the product to you.
This is 9x18W Rgbwauv light, which means each of the 9 lights are able to produce the colors red, green, blue, white, and amber, and UV. No more running power cords from a faraway outlet and then tamping them down. And we have plugs from different countries, like US plug, EU plug, UK plug, and AU plug. With this uplight, all you have to do is turn it on, set it, and forget it.
This light is fantastic when you have limited safety time or when the power outlets are not in close proximity. It lasts up to 18 hours on a single charge.
Low profile of this light means you can get a longer beam because it starts lower on the wall. LED technology assures that the light will never get hot to the touch. Two of the most popular requested uplight colors are amber and purple. This light has a dedicated amber diode and can create any amber shade from bright yellow to dark orange. The dedicated UV diode helps make rich, deep purples, along with the rest of the red, green, blue, and white diodes. This light can make any color of the rainbow, including subtle pastels.
This color branding ability is second to none if you are looking for wireless uplight ready for party, wedding, or corporate event. Get the right one. If you want to know more details about our product, please contact us. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.